Today we are starting with electric potential due to a point charge. Now, as already we know that what is electric potential? Electric potential is the amount of work done required to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to a point. Now, this is our main source, that is a charge. It has an electric field in the surrounding, and we have a charge, that is the unit positive charge, means having a magnitude of +1. We are bringing this charge from infinity to a point, and just now for a short instant or an instant of time, this is placed at a distance of x, and we have to bring this from infinity to a point A. Now, the electrostatic or Coulomb's force of repulsion of this charge, that is the charge Q, and the test charge, that is the unit positive charge. So force of repulsion will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon r square. Here the r square is x square. So we get F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon r square. Since positive and positive, there is repulsion. So here there will be a repulsion. So this force is away from the charge, but we have to bring it closer to the charge. So force is in this direction, displacement is in this direction. When we are going to find the work done, which is equal to force into displacement, then force into displacement due to this dot, it will be force into displacement cos theta. Cos theta will be of 180 degree, and cos 180 we already know the value is -1. So it comes out to be minus f dx. So work done after substituting the value of f from above, we get work done is equal to minus q upon 4 pi epsilon naught x square dx. Since we have to bring this unit positive charge from infinity to a point, that means we need to integrate it from infinity to r. So when we are integrating, this term is a constant term, so it will come out, and we are left with x raised to power -2 dx. If we integrate this x raised to power -2, the formula is x raised to power n dx is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So it will be -2 plus 1, that is -1 divided by -1. So on substituting the value, that is the upper limit minus the lower limit. So 1 upon r minus 1 upon infinity, this will be this term, and the q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this will be your work done, total work done. So 1 upon r, that is 1 upon x, and 1 upon infinity is 0. So final answer will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r. Now, what we have concluded from here, work done is equal to the electric potential at a distance r from the source charge plus q. So potential will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r. Now the conclusion is that potential is directly proportional to the q and inversely proportional to the distance of that point from the source charge. Nature of the electric potential, that is, just now look here, what is the value? It's come out to be positive. What we have considered? We have considered the charge, that is the source charge, as positive. So whenever the source charge is positive, the potential will come out to be positive. But if the source charge is negative, the potential will come out to be negative. And that is why if we draw a graph between the potential and the distance, if the charge is greater than 0, that means the source charge is positive, the graph will be in this way. That is a parabolic graph, because look here, this potential is inversely proportional to r, and remember, these graphs are very important according to the point, that exam's point of view. And if the charge is less than 0, then it will be this kind of graph.